What's up, Airkewld Army? It's your friend Pete, back again, this time with some updates on what's on the horizon for Airkewld in the coming weeks, as well as a little interaction with you. Let's get into it. So guys, we have a pretty jam-packed next couple weeks. We have Bugorama happening here in Phoenix this Sunday, and we're going to be attending. We're going to be taking the 67. That's the goal right now. Is we're going to take the 67 out to Bugorama. It is for sale. If you're interested, inquire in the comments, or we'll put a little email and a phone number here that you can call us and we can kind of give you the details of it. So if you're in the area for the Bugorama this weekend, you can see this in person, or we'll link it to a page on our website, which kind of gives all the details, what we're asking for it, all that jazz. We are going to be putting those wheels, which belong to that one, back on that one to sell with that car. We also have a little how-to video that's going to be put together with me and Eric Arnold on how to take pictures properly with your mobile phone. And we're going to go through some tips and some details on how to make the best photos so you can share them and they look killer and you're not doing all this like cutting up of photos. You need some help. We're here to help. We've hired the help. We're making it happen for you guys. 64. We just got speedometer back from Orange Empire Speedometer. We had to do a little adjustment. Got that handled. And then we're going to put some Fuchs on for now on this. That's what's going to happen this week with these two cars. That's our 58 we got back from Henry Marchena Restorations, who just got done spraying the Yas Marina Blue. Kind of show some pictures of our journey here. What a journey. Beverly, we have some 1-inch white wall stock size tires on order for Beverly. And we also got the speedometer redone by Orange Empire. Been dealing with Ryan over there for, I don't know, 15 years. Does a great job. And we are trying to bring this bus back to OE spec, OE ride height, OE tire size, and continue with our docu-series on this bus, showing what it is stock, what it does, and then braking distance, RPMs, shift points, and then we're gonna do our lowering kit, our brakes, our wheels, and show the improvement of those upgrades. So that's coming, but that's not in the next couple of weeks, but that's for 2022. Gia, we've been working on the Gia, doing pan halves on it. You've seen that here. And we got all the parts ready to start doing the assembly, tranny, front end brakes, all that's done. The one we saved from snow in Idaho, all the parts are done, ready to go, including the transaxle, which is here. And we got the brakes, and this one is going to be rolling on Fuchs too. Wheels are over here. Both chassis are back from powder coat. We're doing a little special thing with the Gia chassis. Just did a video for the Type 2 lowering kit. Look out for that one here in the coming weeks. Airkewld Army, it's your friend Pete, back again, this time with a question for you. What are you working on? And specifically, what are you actually doing? So year, model, what are you doing to it? Comment down below. We have 10,500 subscribers. Let's see if we can get all of you to answer that question down there. We enjoy reading your comments, so don't be shy. Comment, tell us about it. Did an adjustment on our ultimate beam. We actually made the lower bushing 1/8 of an inch wider than the upper. And you would ask, Pete, why would you do that? Great question. And we're doing this so that we can adjust camber better than if we do it like OEM. When you're lower, you need the bottom to be offset a little bit so that your eccentrics can turn and help you with getting positive and negative camber. Currently, when they're cut the same size, you're basically maxing out the adjustment to get the wheel straight again when it's lowered. And that's with a lowered eccentric, which is already maxed out. So we did some development. We found out that the lower bushing and lower torsion, if we moved it out 1/8 of an inch on each side, doesn't necessarily change the track left or right so much, but it allows for the adjustment to be in the middle range, so you can create negative camber, you can create positive camber, and you have more adjustment. So that's something new that this is the 4th beam when we've tested it on, and everything's good. We just got a whole big batch of parts back from Chemical Strip. So we are putting them in sets now. We got a whole big batch of stuff back from Powder Coat. We have a guy like just down the street that does a very good quality job. Very happy. I used to employ their powder coater. So props to Tanner. Had another gentleman send in, drop off a whole bunch of cores locally. If you didn't know, we do need cores. The AirkewldArmy has been supporting us big time with all the pro-built beam orders, ultimate beam orders, deposits on our Gen 2 brakes, 3-piece smoothies. I did say 3-piece smoothies, they're back. Put a link up here. We will have halves here in June, and we're taking orders from now, so get your orders in. We can get the centers powder coated, the bolts prepped, everything ready. If you want tires, we can mount and balance them, all that kind of jazz. So just did a new look newsletter that we released yesterday. I'll put a link up here. Invite you to check it out. Subscribe. We are giving away complete air ride kit. All you gotta do is sign up, and the perk is you get some Volkswagen content delivered to your email inbox. So I'll put that link up here. Also, we're getting closer. I think we're right at 10,500-ish on the subscriber for YouTube. Thank you. You guys are the best. I mean, the best. And we appreciate you being a part of our growth here on YouTube. We are giving it an OEM pro-built steering box once we hit 15,000 subscribers. So if you're not subscribed, we'll put a link in the description, as well as a little card up here. I don't know if I've used all my cards yet, but you'll see once this video comes out. A lot of you have been commenting and emailing, asking us about the 10,000 subscriber winner. We have a video that we're putting together. I did something a little different, a little custom for that winner. You're gonna love it. I love it. It's killer, and it's not something that we're going to do or offer for production, building this stuff, but we wanted to do a little special treat for our 10,000 subscriber winner who won the ultimate beam, and so we'll show you that in the coming videos.